With the accelerated integration of intelligent control technology and the construction industry, the use scenarios of intelligent control equipment in buildings have become increasingly rich, and the complexity of connections between equipment has also increased. In order to meet the intelligent integration of building equipment, efficient management requirements, the KNX system based on the International Intelligent Building Control Standard is due to its compatibility and stability. It has become an important device for realizing intelligent integration of building facilities. TXGA KNX/EIB Connector. Provide users with reliable and easy-to-install smart building connection solutions. The product meets the needs of KNX system equipment for KNX/EIB bus connections such as miniaturization, high reliability, and easy on-site connection. Field wiring requirements for smart building systems. TXGA KNX/EIB connector adopts a clamping spring structure. After the wire is stripped, it can be directly inserted into the wiring port without additional crimping, achieving efficient on-site assembly. The multicolor design of the product helps users easily distinguish transmission types. Reduce assembly errors. In order to adapt to the miniaturization trend of KNX bus equipment, the KNX/EIB connector adopts a 1-in and 4-out design, which can make the circuit layout of the equipment more compact. The product shell is equipped with an intersplicing structure, which can effectively save horizontal space after splicing. At the same time, the multi-inlet design also ensures that the bus connection will not be interrupted when components are replaced, ensuring the operational stability of smart building equipment. To meet the application needs of different devices, TXGA provides 3 matching pin header connectors for KNX/EIB connector. The pin header lengths are available in 3 options: 9, 6 mm, 17 mm, and 19, 1 mm. The center distance is 5.75 mm. Meet the application needs of various PCB installation locations. In the context of the rapid development of various facilities in smart buildings, the modular design of TXGA KNX terminal blocks allows users to freely choose single or multi-body combinations. Realize flexible expansion of building equipment. TXGA KNX/EIB connector has been widely used as the gateway of KNX system. Actuators, controllers, couplers, bus power supplies, input modules, IP routers and other equipment provide more convenient and reliable electrical interconnection for smart building systems.